Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. I don't know if I'm the only one that has been seeing this type of updates, this adios. It's on Facebook and Instagram, but then it's new on WhatsApp. So before now, I tried to check it, but it's not on my WhatsApp. So I went to Google Play Store, use an Android phone. If you use iPhone, you can go to Apple Play Store, update your WhatsApp app. When you update your app, you can see my needs update. So click on update. If yours needs update, you update it. Once you update your app, you just allow it to load and finish updating. This adios type of status updates, it's kind that keeps conversation going. People can respond to your status with a status. It's actually a cool feature that has been going on Instagram and Facebook, but it's now rolled out on WhatsApp. So after installing and updating my app, just click on open so that you go to the newest, that's the latest version of the WhatsApp app that is available as at the time that I'm making this video. So I clicked on open and opened my app. When I opened my app, I went to updates here. So after updates, click on this picture icon to add a picture to your WhatsApp status. So you can either add a picture or snap yourself. So I'm going for the option of adding a picture from my gallery. So I'm going to be choosing this, my wedding picture. I'll click on this icon here, this sticker like icon. So you see that it has been added. So you click on add yours. So when you click on add yours, you now write the topic, maybe your favorite picture, favorite scripture, food that you cooked today, uniform, your mom, just to people can post theirs too as you make yours. So you can add emoji to it. You have the option of putting it a particular size you want. You can resize it by using your hand to shrink it or to expand it. You can use your fingers to shrink or expand it and place it where you want. If you don't like it, you can delete it. Just move it off and it will go. So it's actually a very interesting thing to do. If you don't like it, you remove it and add another one. So but for me, I like it. So if you also want to maybe add music to your status, you just click on the music icon up here, add music. You can write something down here and that's for music. Then you hit the send button to send. So once you've sent it, I've sent it and I'm going to look at it. You can see it's just now I posted it. You can see just now. So I'm going to show you how you can respond to someone's status. So I opened my business WhatsApp to check the other WhatsApp. So as you can see, I've seen it. This is the particular one. So you now click on add yours. If you want to respond to that picture, you add yours. You can select picture from your gallery or turn your camera and snap yourself, which I did. I turned my camera to snap myself because I was outside while recording this video. So, and I will still drag this down or wherever I want it to be positioned in the image. So it's very interesting. I love the update, like it's giving. So if you are not having it, try to update your app. If your app is not updated, try to update it. Also, one thing I notice is that sometimes when Meta or this Facebook group, when they roll out something, it's not available on some countries. It's available on some countries first. So if it's not yet available on your own country, you can just have this knowledge till when it's available. So you just get this notification that someone responded to your status. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.